Welcome to my channel Smart Witpo. Today I will be creating this manipulation in Photoshop CC. So let's go to Photoshop. Okay, open your Photoshop. I have already saved my project here. Go and start it. Okay, here all PNGs are added. So you go and add your PNGs. You can add from here photo library. Okay, these are the pictures. Go to your pictures and add your PNG. So I have already added, so I will cancel this and look at this. So let's get started. Hide these PNGs, okay, and just show you this one. Okay, now create a empty layer. Okay, make sure it is behind the subject and go to spray tool. Okay, make sure the color is black because we are gonna add some shadow to your subject. Okay, now zoom this. Maybe I can't zoom it, so let's get started. Now it looks too hard, so we will go to this third one and hold your key, or if you're using a touch mobile, so hold it and release here on eraser and make sure to erase this a little bit to make it smooth. Now go and show your this PNG. Okay, click on this, hold and go to spray tool. Make sure the size is small. Okay, and create this here. Stay connected with me. I will be giving tutorial about how to color grade this image in Lightroom. Okay, so stay connected with me, subscribe to my channel, and all links of the PNGs and backgrounds apps are in description. Not too much. Okay, it's removed. Now look at this before shadow and after shadow, and look at this picture, before shadow and after shadow. Okay, now we have to add our another PNG. Okay, this one PNG, the link will be in description. So transform this, select this layer, then go to transform and move it this way. Okay, it looks perfect. Okay, these edges are looking too hard, so what should I do? Go to this and select this marquee selection tool and select the borders. Okay, just select the borders. Okay, it is just selecting the borders because we have just selected this layer. So go to this panel and select feathers. Okay, now make sure the feathers are 50 or maybe 40. Okay, so it can create a little bit smoothness. Now look at this, click on delete and it will create a really smoothness. Okay, now deselect here, okay, and transform this. Okay, now create an empty layer. Okay, we have to add some shadow here and go to this panel, go to spray tool and make sure the size and opacity are high. Okay, and just do this, then go to then move this layer above your subject. Okay, move this above your subject, select this one, go to transform and make it bigger. Click this one. Okay, so now go to transform again. Okay, select the log aspect ratio and move it, make it bigger. Okay, click on this and now look at this, it's also behind. So how we can remove this? Click on this again, click on this and do this. Okay, then click on this one and it will start doing this. Now click on delete. Okay, now click on deselect. Now look at this. Now I have to retouch a little bit this one. Okay, I made this dark and now go to this other PNGs I have added. Okay, it's above. Here's the PNG. Transform this. Click on this. Okay, also make it dark. Now look at these, look at this. Okay, now come here to that layer, here's the layer, and come to this panel to make it also dark. Look at before, look at after. Now this isn't matching with this, so we'll have to adjust it. Click on this, go here, brightness and contrast, make it brighter. And almost is done. Okay, it's almost done. Now we have to make this and the background a little bit blur, so select this. Okay, now click on this. Now move this and merge this, merge down. It will merge with this one. Merge it down, click on done and move it here, so we can merge it. Okay, it is merged. Now we have to merge these two. Click again and merge this. Okay, it is merged. Now click on this. Okay, and move and make a selection here, so we can make it blur. Okay, click on apex, Gaussian blur. Okay, this is the Gaussian blur. Look at this. Okay, now click on this, deselect. Look at this, it's almost done. Now click on this and save it.